Welcome to the channel. My name is Peter. Today I would like to discuss with you Friday time pattern. Again this Friday. Like we had this last Friday, previous Friday, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and it's happening again. Everything is lined up for us for this Friday again. So let me just explain to you what is Friday time pattern. What is Friday time pattern? I will repeat again. It is a repeating event taking place each week on Friday. Friday pattern has been the most accurate and the easiest way to forecast the direction of Bitcoin on Friday. It works the best in bull market. From my observation for the last 12 months, I've noticed that it's really working amazingly on Fridays and when we are going up, when there's a bull market, when we are in an uptrend. There should be some positive sentiment in the market, so you need to check from Monday till Friday. How's the situation? Are we dumping? We have some positive sentiment. Well, this week we had some at the beginning of the week. Now we are dumping, which is really good because this will give us a very good entry for Friday. It has highly successful win rate. It's incredible. I will show it to you in just a moment with some previous examples. Okay, there are repeating time patterns in crypto, forex and Dow Jones index. Today we will be focusing mainly on crypto. Let me show you some examples on the charts. For the purpose of the exercise, I will be using on this Friday actually, I'll be using an indicator which is called ProAlgo. I will explain to you later on a few interesting benefits of using this indicator, but meantime let's focus on our time pattern. So you can see very clearly that we are in an uptrend again. If you click on here, it's even more clear. The candles are blue, they are in the uptrend, so our time pattern, I believe it will take place. If you look at here, for example, we were dropping, I wouldn't be so convinced. I mean, still it did play out, but in this part here, it wasn't as accurate. You know, it's super accurate when the daily candles are blue and we are in an uptrend because we have positive sentiment and there's a high volatility. Okay, that's fine. But then Friday comes and the pattern takes place. So let's have a look here. Oh, especially in this area here before, when we had a very strong bull market, this pattern was always playing out almost every Friday. And I will just show you in just a moment on 1 hour time frame how it looks. So yeah, just to show you how to identify. So if you're in bull market, amazing, this pattern will work out. If we are dropping, dumping, it might work out. Many times it did, but it is a little bit more risky. So you have 52 weeks in a year. Okay, you're not going to be making profits every Friday, but if you can do it at least half of the year, that's incredible. I mean, if you can do it at least 30 Fridays and you know the direction of crypto, I think that's really incredible and it's worth learning. So let me just show you on actually on 1 hour time frame, how we identify the entry and what is the best time to open the position on Friday. Just a note here. So we will be looking on Friday to open position to go long on BCH, BTC, FTM, Ether, LTC, maybe some other coin you can find as well, which is quite strong. We're looking to open at between 8 p.m. UK time or 10 p.m. when the markets close, or when the stock market actually will close. Institutions will close for the weekend. And we will close all the positions on Saturday by 11 a.m. And I will show you exactly what's going to happen on Saturday as well. So let's just move on back to the charts. Okay, so here we go. This is Friday, a couple of weeks ago, and we had an entry about 8 o'clock. What happens? You need to be like looking around for entry on Friday. It depends, because you could be actually looking already on Thursday evening as well. If the market is dropping from Monday to Thursday, we could have a bounce retracement from Thursday evening, which is tomorrow. If not, you can still jump in on Friday. I think when New York opens, there could be a good entry for you during the New York session. If it's dropping more, then you just have to wait. But I've noticed for the last couple of weeks we had New York opening and the price was already going up. But still, if you miss it, you can still get in around between, let's say, 8 o'clock and 10 p.m. for your long entry. But of course, try to find a better position earlier on as well. So, okay, in this a couple of weeks ago, we had a position here. So you see, this is actually on 15 minutes time frame. So the Bitcoin went up and all the way here till about peak time, which is around 11 a.m. on Saturday. So all from here till there taking profit. So that's an example of one Friday, and let's have a look at the previous sessions. Okay, so that's a week that's another week earlier on. Let's have a look. Here we go again. Okay, so what's happened here? You see, we actually did open position around. I remember that day was around maybe about this time here, because the market really went up and we didn't want to enter straight away. We did wait for small retracement, so the entry was delayed. Well, it doesn't have to be actually by 10 p.m. It can be even like 1 a.m. You just have to find an entry on Friday. And it could be even like, you can even open this, like over here where the New York opened, there was an amazing entry here as well. So if you did open here on Friday, you would make all these profits from here till here. And look at this. We're going again, and again, around this time, around 11 a.m. on Saturday, we usually have a peak. So it's really important for you to close all your positions. So look at this. You have an entry at 10 p.m. on Friday, and you're making all this profit here on Bitcoin. And by the way, this is just Bitcoin. If you look on altcoins, you will see the same time pattern every Friday, but the profit you can get is much higher, because Bitcoin, as we know, has a little bit lower increase in percentage-wise. Just have a look at one more Friday, and then I will let you to analyze it yourself. So let's have a look, just a random Friday, let's say 2nd, okay, let's go. So like optimal time of entry between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. I just selected this one just to have a look at what's happening that day. So let's go on the 2nd. Okay, there we go. So we're on the 2nd, which was 2nd of July, around 10 p.m. Like I said, optimal entry. Yes, it did happen. So I did actually open position here. It's Friday. It's time pattern. I saw how the market did perform during the week. We had bearish and bullish. We had drops and ups. So there was a very big potential for this to play out. So yes, I did open position here again, 10 p.m. on Friday. And look at this. This is incredible. Remember, 11 a.m. on Saturday, we usually achieve peak. Let me show you how to identify your entry on Friday. What do you have to do? You have to look at the whole Friday. And if you see the market is dropping, try to find a position after 9 or 10 p.m. In this case, I'm using Loop Pro Algo, and we can see on the oscillator, we're going up here. There's a color change, so that's confirmation number 1. We also have this here, which comes from red to blue, which is a trend tracer, and so that's the second confirmation. We can see then as well, we have a bullish momentum still on, and we had the buy signal here earlier on, and from that buy signal we are still in a bullish momentum, so that's a confirmation number 3. You can also add an indicator which is completely for free from TradingView. Let me show you which one it is. It's called TDI Traders Dynamic Index. It works really good, really well. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. Yeah, I mean, it works amazing. So 10 p.m. we have 3 confirmations already here. Our 4th confirmation will come from TDI GM indicator. So we have a look. Let's have a look here. We have green and red line crossing the middle yellow line, and that is a really good confirmation of a buy signal. Multiple confirmations. We are happy to open long position, and that's what you have to look at. Okay, that will be all, and let me just give you a short summary of this Friday time pattern. Just a short summary and very important notes. Okay, so Friday you have to look for a position to go long. You can actually look all day, but if the market is dropping, ideal time entry will be after 9 p.m. Now, do not open any position to go long if you do not have a buy signal or your confirmation. You can use your favorite indicator, or you can use ProAlgo, which I have been using for the last couple of weeks, and I've been having amazing results with it, so I definitely recommend it. I will attach a link to this indicator, and you are welcome to register for free for 2 days. At the moment, it's 2 days free trial. Maybe it will be one day next week, not sure, but today if you register, or tomorrow, you will get 2 days for free to try it, which I highly recommend it, especially for Friday. Okay, close all your positions after 11 a.m. UK time on Saturday. You need to look to buy Bitcoin, BCH, Litecoin, Ether. I found these coins work the best with this pattern. Of course, if you find another coin which is very strong, definitely have a look at the previous Fridays and go for it. Okay, so this is a repeating pattern. Please play on demo account, a small amount only, because we cannot guarantee that you're going to be 100% correct at the moment. However, if you study this pattern, you might be in the future getting amazing results like myself. Important is to learn how to open position on Friday. It's not important at the moment to play with your real funds. Once you get to know how to open the position, the money part will be very easy. I promise you this. Just before I leave you, I would like to show you the things that I like about this ProAlgo indicator, and especially why do you need this on Friday. Okay, so you see it's very interesting how you've got these ADR lines. Whenever it touches, it bounces off. Incredible. Some people, they're just waiting for those lines to be reached, and they go long. So that's what I like about it, is this ADR. You also have this information, which is very useful. And support and resistance lines, they change colors, and they are very helpful in identifying your entries. You have also very reliable buy and sell signals. You have less of them, but they are extremely reliable. So you have one here, and look at this, all the way down. Many people did contact me saying, look, Peter, I'm using this indicator, I'm using that indicator, and I'm fed up because of the fake signals. Well, you don't really get that here because you have less signals and they are more reliable. The next one, you have those reversal points, they're quite useful as well. And that band is very helpful because you get the confirmation from this white line that we are bouncing off, and you have also confirmation from this reversion band that we are bouncing off. And there are other things as well, like this oscillator is very helpful, very easy to read and easy to follow. Yeah, so I will attach a link on my website in description. Please do yourself a favor, register tomorrow, if not today. Try it for 2 days, make some profits, enjoy, and stay with the indicator. Thank you.